Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Universe Tech. On our previous video, we discussed about the basic that you must know before installing a fresh Windows. On that video, I showed you how to find your PC's architecture, how to prepare your pen drive as bootable, how to find your partition type. On this video, I will teach you how to complete Windows installation. Before starting, make sure all of your necessary files that are stored on local disk C or on your download folder or on desktop are moved to another drive. Also make sure you watched our previous video on Windows installation part 1. So let's go to our PC screen. Before installation, you have to point out the drive on which you want to save your Windows files. For that, go to Disk Management. By right-clicking Windows menu, select Disk Management. Check on which drive you want to install Windows. As example, disk 0 is my SSD and disk 1 is my hard disk. And I want to install Windows on disk 0. If there is multiple partition on your hard disk or SSD, rename the specific drive as Windows where you want to install your Windows. Insert your bootable pen drive on USB slot and restart your PC. Before the brand logo of your PC arrives, keep pressing or press and hold your boot menu button. This boot menu button varies for different PC brands. All PC brands boot menu buttons are given on the description. Find out yours one from the description and press that button while restarting your PC. You can see a window will appear like this one and select your pen drive. Windows installation window will appear shortly. From here, select your language, click next and click install now. Select the version of your Windows that you want to install depending on your PC's architecture. If your PC is based on 32-bit, then select x86 architecture. For 64-bit PC, select x64 architecture. Click next, read and accept the license terms and click next. Here we can see the types of installation. In case you are on Windows 10 already and also want to upgrade the newer updates of Windows 10, then you can select upgrade option, which is a dirty flash and not recommended while your PC is slowing already. As I want to install fresh Windows, then I have to select the custom option. Here is the risky and important part. Remember, I told you on the starting of the video of checking your desired drive and disk where you are going to install your Windows. As in my case, I want to install on my SSD, which is disk 0. Look at the type of the partition, only delete system, MBR recovery and the partition which was used for previous Windows files. Don't delete anything else. On my case, drive 0 partition 3 was my previous installation drive. You can also rename this drive before starting installation if you are confused to pointing that out. After deleting, you will see that all deleted drives will be as allocated space. Select that allocated space and click on new. Click apply. Here Windows will create additional partition for Windows features. Now select that primary drive which you created. Click next. Windows installation is started. This will take some time and PC will restart couple of times automatically. Finally, we can see that the Windows installation is completed. I hope this tutorial will help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video helps you. Thank you for watching.